Online jobs that actually pay and are hiring right now. The job market is shifting, and remote work is becoming the norm. But with so many options out there, how do you find online jobs that actually pay well and are hiring right now? In this video, we'll uncover some of the most reliable and lucrative online jobs available today. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Let's start from CrowdSurf, instant pay for transcription jobs. Have you ever wanted to make money by listening to audio files and typing what you hear? Well, with CrowdSurf, that's exactly what you can do. But what makes this platform stand out is that you can get paid immediately once you complete your tasks. Transcription jobs have never been so rewarding, especially if you're looking for flexibility and instant pay. What's the catch? There isn't one. CrowdSurf allows you to work from home, transcribing short audio and video clips. The best part? You don't need prior experience to get started. All you need is a computer and a good pair of headphones. This is perfect for anyone looking to earn money during their spare time without a complicated learning curve. Why it's great? With CrowdSurf, you're in control of how much you earn. Choose from a range of audio files, work as much or as little as you want, and get paid quickly. How to get started? Simply sign up, go through their brief training, and start picking up transcription jobs. The faster and more accurately you transcribe, the more tasks you'll get, increasing your earning potential. Daily Remote, your gateway to remote jobs. Imagine browsing through a platform designed just for remote work opportunities. Daily Remote is a fantastic resource that lists remote positions across various industries. Whether you're a tech whiz, a customer service pro, or a creative genius, you'll find something that matches your skills. The best part, the platform constantly updates its listings, so you're always in the loop. How is it different from other job boards? Unlike many general job platforms, Daily Remote exclusively focuses on remote jobs. This means you don't have to waste time sifting through irrelevant listings. You can be confident that every position posted is offering the opportunity to work from home. Why it's great? With Daily Remote, you get access to scam-free listings. These job posts are verified and handpicked, so you can apply with peace of mind. Additionally, there are daily updates, so if a particular position catches your eye, it's likely still available. How to get started? You don't even need to create an account to browse jobs. Simply go to the website, check out the listings, and apply directly to your desired positions. Be sure to set up job alerts, so you're notified as soon as new listings appear. Indeed, looking for a steady stream of remote jobs with flexible hours. Indeed has long been a trusted job board, but did you know it also features positions that offer daily or weekly pay? This is especially true for customer service roles, which are booming right now. Companies like Alorica and Teleperformance are hiring remote customer service representatives, offering flexible hours and pay options that work with your schedule. What makes this unique? It's not just about finding a job. It's about finding a job that fits your lifestyle. With the current boom in customer service jobs, Indeed allows you to search for positions that offer daily pay. Imagine being able to get paid the same day you work. That's the dream, right? Why it's great? Wide variety of job categories, so you can find the perfect fit for your skills. Whether it's customer service, tech support, or sales, there's something for everyone. How to get started? Simply sign up for a free Indeed account, create a profile, and search for daily pay or remote to find the best opportunities. Be proactive in your search and apply to several jobs that match your skills. Flex jobs. What if you could have access to a job board that guarantees scam-free, high-quality remote jobs? Flex Jobs is an online platform that takes job hunting to the next level by carefully screening each listing. For a small subscription fee, you gain access to thousands of curated listings for flexible and remote work opportunities across a wide range of industries. Why should you consider Flex Jobs? Flex Jobs has a stellar reputation for being one of the best remote job platforms. You won't have to worry about applying to sketchy or fake job ads. They take the time to verify each listing, ensuring that it's legitimate and offers fair compensation. Why it's great? Not only does Flex Jobs offer remote positions, but it also gives you access to job opportunities that suit a variety of skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, there's a job for you here. How to get started? Start by signing up for a subscription. While there's a fee involved, It's a small price to pay for peace of mind and access to some of the best remote jobs out there. Once you're in, browse through the listings, apply to positions, and take advantage of FlexJob's additional resources like resume writing help and career coaching. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelance platforms, known for its vast array of opportunities across multiple industries. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, marketer, or even a voiceover artist, Fiverr allows you to create gigs and sell your services to people all over the world. What makes Fiverr stand out is the flexibility it offers. You set your prices and define the services you provide. Why Fiverr is great. Wide range of services. From graphic design to digital marketing to custom crafts, there's no limit to the gigs you can offer on Fiverr. Global reach. Fiverr is a global marketplace, giving you the opportunity to work with clients from all over the world. Set your own rates. Unlike traditional job platforms, you get to decide how much you charge based on the complexity of the work and your experience. How to get started. Create an account. Sign up for a free account and create your profile. Set up gigs. Define your services. Gigs. Describe them clearly and price them according to your expertise. Start getting orders. As buyers browse Fiverr for services, your gigs will be visible. You can apply to buyer requests or wait for them to find your offerings. Communicate and deliver. Once you get an order, communicate clearly with the buyer, deliver the service on time, and maintain high ratings to attract more clients. Upwork. When it comes to freelancing, Upwork reigns as one of the most well-known platforms in the game. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, developer, or marketer, Upwork offers a broad range of freelance work that you can do on your terms. But what makes Upwork stand out from other freelancing platforms? It's the fact that many clients offer quick, reliable payments once a job is completed. Some even offer daily pay. Why is Upwork so appealing? The ability to set your own rates and choose your clients is one of the most attractive features of this platform. Upwork allows freelancers to negotiate with clients directly, making it easier to find work that aligns with your expertise and desired pay. What's the catch? The platform charges a service fee, which starts at 20% for the first $500 billed to a client. But as you gain more experience and work with the same client, this fee decreases. So while there is a fee, it becomes more favorable as you build long-term relationships with clients. Why it's great? Upwork allows you to work on your own schedule and pick the jobs that suit you. You'll find job listings in dozens of categories, from software development to marketing to customer service. How to get started? Create a strong profile, showcasing your skills and experience. Don't forget to build a portfolio with examples of your work. This can help attract better-paying clients. Once you've set up your profile, start bidding on jobs and submitting proposals. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and improve your chances of landing higher-paying gigs. So, which online job caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more advice on thriving in the online job market. Thanks for watching. Here's to finding the job that fits your goals and your lifestyle.